Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm working on a 2008 Ford Edge. This one has the PCM issues with the misfire. The internal coil drivers are bad. So in this video I'm just going to show you how to replace the PCM if you go that route. You could also send it in for repairs. We repair these. So let's get started. Alright, to get this job done, you'll need a PCM, of course, and then 10mm and 11mm and something to turn those sockets. And then also you'll need a scan tool capable of performing a parameter reset on the PCM in order to get it to, mate to the car. So let's get started. The PCM is located right above the intake manifold, right there under the cowl. First thing you want to do is disconnect the battery, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll go ahead and swap out this PCM. With the battery disconnected, you're good to go on disconnecting the PCM. Simply pull back on this lever. Pull the connector out. First off, I got the 11mm, and that is the right nut. And the left side is the 10mm. Looks like this PCM was already replaced, but it already has faulty coils. Anytime replacing a PCM with faulty ignition drivers, it's a good idea to replace the coil packs as well, because if they are faulty, it can kill the PCM again. So once you have the two nuts removed, you're good to go on pulling it out. Got the new PCM here. So to reinstall these, first thing you want to do is push these in as far as they'll go, and then while pushing on the connector, push on the lever. Just like that. Now you could go ahead and reconnect the battery, and then we're going to go inside to do the programming. New PCM is in. As you can see, the security light is on. We're going to use the MaxIM 608 programmer. You could also use the regular Autel scan tool, but it takes 10 minutes for it to get the security access, and this thing is instant. So on this particular vehicle, the only thing that needs to be done is the parameter reset to get the new PCM configured to the car. So this is the fault codes that you could expect to see. Both of them are immobilizer faults. So you need to go to immobilizer learning. Ignition is on. Yes, we replaced the PCM. turn it off and on, or turn it off for 20 seconds. It just takes a few seconds really, so we're just gonna 3 seconds or so, back on, and okay. Learning is successful. As you can see, the light is still on. It's gonna do a little reset. There it is. And the light is gone. I'm going to go ahead and cycle the ignition and start the car. Alright, so no check engine light and the car was running smooth. Go ahead and rescan. And these are likely just going to be history faults. So let's do a quick erase. So no more immobilizer faults. If you need a PCM, you could check our website to see if we have them in stock. We always test them before shipping them. We always just install them in the car and do a parameter reset, make sure everything works. So this process is the same for Ford Edge and the Lincoln MKX, and the PCMs are actually interchangeable as long as the part numbers are the same. So that wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching.